Shiva, Ayyadurai, real solutions to real problems. One of the biggest problems that we have, not only in this country, but I would argue throughout the world, but let's start with America, is we no longer truly have private communications or free speech. Google, Facebook, and companies like that watch and observe every communication we do. In fact, most of you probably didn't look at their privacy statement when you signed up for their free email or their free social media services. They own our content. They own our email. However, I have a solution to that. The United States Postal Service was created by the founders of this country to ensure that I could send you a communication and no one would interfere with it. If they did, 20-year sentence in prison. We need to regenerate the Postal Service into the 21st century world and use them as a framework for free speech. The Postal Service, in my model, for $50 a year could offer you email, digital services like YouTube, Facebook, etc. And now you are protected by the ability to have communication without any interference or being shut down. Again, real solutions for real problems, and that's how we protect free speech in this country. Re-engineering the Postal Service for the 21st century.